Hey everybody, Anita here. Today we're going to get right into it with discussing, do you feel like quitting? I get it. Maybe your manifestations haven't arrived yet. Maybe you just need to step back and think about this for a little bit. Law of attraction is always working for you. Always. So whether you quit, whether you do it, whether you don't, you're still going to manifest something. Question is, do you want to manifest something positive or something negative? You can quit, of course you can. Everybody has that choice. But do you really want to? With that, what if all your dreams came true? What if your dream house showed up today? What if $250,000 in inheritance showed up today? Do you really want to quit? Do you really want to quit if you knew that you were going to find your dream car today? Or that you were going to be able to supply your family with all the things that you've always dreamed of? Do you really want to quit? I do get it. You go through that period where you're doing everything, you're doing your affirmations, and you're still not where you want to be. Well, you can still break through. There's other techniques all over the internet to use. There's the water method. I have them in my list in Law of Attraction, my original ones. There's over 140 videos in there that you can learn from. There's also, I'm starting on Law of Attraction 2 teaching videos, and that way we'll have shorter lists to send to people and everything. But yeah, you can give up. You can give up hope and everything, but do you really want to? There's all kinds of ways of manifesting, including EFT tapping. And there's so much to learn in this, to do it on purpose and to line yourself with what you really want. I just want to encourage you today to think about, do you really want to quit? I know that some of you are frustrated. Everybody gets frustrated at times. Accept and honor that feeling of frustration. Then move the thoughts of frustration into thoughts of, oh, maybe today is my day. Move it into a higher vibration, a more positive area, and just keep doing that. One positive thought after another until you raise your vibration and you decide you don't want to quit. A lot of people, I won't say a lot, but a few have commented, oh, the law of attraction doesn't work. Well, for them, it's not going to. They're going to get something negative. Whether you think you can or you think you can't, you're right. Whatever you think is going to happen is going to happen. So you want to really work at this. Again, you have the right to quit if you want to. You're still going to manifest anyway. So that's just a law of the universe. It's a given. Whether we want to do it this way on purpose or we want to do it just free-handed and see what shows up in our lives, we have the choice to do that. Everybody does, because we're creating and co-creating every day, every minute of the day. It's happening anyway. So before you quit, just ask yourself some questions. Maybe write down your dreams again. Maybe write out some affirmations. Do you really want to give up and quit? And I recommend the movie that changed my life was The Secret. It comes in book form and everything. It's on Netflix. It's even here on YouTube. I recommend you Watch that before you make your decision. Just raise your vibration. You might just be in a down mood because maybe you don't feel good or something like that. But you can come out of it. But make sure you think about it. Think about it before you do quit or anything, because like I said, you're going to manifest anyway. You might as well want to manifest on purpose and bring in positive and good into your life rather than just random things showing up. With that, I will say God bless you. I love and appreciate each one of you, and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye for now.